3 encounters. Encounter 1. The Scattered Pumpkin Seeds Fairy.
I truly and sincerely believe that wonderful things can unexpectedly happen in our lives, bringing us immense joy and happiness. It's a beautiful way to live, keeping our hearts open to the possibility of good things happening at any moment. I always have hope in my heart, eagerly waiting for positive experiences to come my way, and I actively attract them into my life. Even when faced with challenges or setbacks, I choose to see them as stepping stones that lead me to something better. Going through tough times helps me appreciate and savor the good times even more. I sincerely desire to share this positive outlook, spreading optimism and hope with everyone around me. Let me take you back to a little shop in Peterborough, where a tired mother and her adorable young daughter named Bella stood before me. Bella, a curious and helpful little girl, wanted to assist her mother in placing the groceries on the moving belt. But her mother, feeling impatient due to Bella's occasional clumsiness, became a bit frustrated. Unfortunately, Bella accidentally dropped a bag filled with pumpkin seeds, and they scattered all over the floor. Her mother scolded her and quickly went to get a new bag. Seeing the sadness on Bella's face, my heart went out to her. I couldn't bear to see her upset, so I offered my help to gather the spilt pumpkin seeds. Bella and I carefully picked up each seed and put them back into the bag. I then asked Bella if she could lend me a hand in placing my groceries on the belt. Her mother kindly agreed, and I praised Bella for being so helpful.
Are you enjoying this story? Let us know by tapping the like button. Thank you.
To our surprise, other people in the line noticed Bella's kindness and joined in, admiring her skills. As we left the shop, I struck up a conversation with Bella. I asked her if she had ever been to London, but she shook her head with a shy smile, indicating that she hadn't. Excitedly, I described the famous Pigeon Square in London, where people take pictures with pigeons. I suggested that Bella could have a similar experience right then and there. With a playful twinkle in my eye, I handed Bella the bag of pumpkin seeds and encouraged her to drop it dramatically, causing the seeds to scatter all around. Suddenly, it felt as if Peterborough had transformed into the bustling streets of London. Pigeons appeared out of nowhere, gracefully descending from rooftops and wires, pecking at the scattered pumpkin seeds with delight. This unexpected turn of events overjoyed Bella and her mother. It was a magical sight to behold. At that moment, I reminded them that even on the most challenging days, a minor miracle could happen, filling our hearts with happiness. Before we went our separate ways, Bella's mother promised to protect her daughter, and Bella clapped her hands in pure joy, grateful for the beautiful surprise that had unfolded before her eyes. And so, my story is the enchanting fairy who brought scattered pumpkin seeds to the hungry pigeons and brought joy to a little girl comes to an end. Always remember that things can always get better, even when they seem tough. You can patiently wait for improvement or take small steps to make positive changes in your life. Keep this optimistic mindset in mind, and I hope it inspires you to see the goodness in every situation you encounter.
Encounter 2. Wolf's Terrible Day. Wolf woke up feeling groggy and grumpy. He stubbed his toe on the way to the bathroom, spilt his coffee on his shirt, and burnt his toast. Things only got worse from there. His car wouldn't start, so he had to take the bus to work, which was running late. When he finally arrived at the office, His boss chewed him out for being 5 minutes late. The rest of the day was just as bad. His computer crashed, he spilled more coffee on his desk, and his lunch was stolen from the office fridge. A bee even stung him during his walk in the park at lunchtime. By the end of the day, Bob was ready to crawl under a rock and never come out. Bob noticed a sign advertising a stand-up comedy show as he walked home from the bus stop. He decided to go in, hoping it would cheer him up. The comedian was hilarious, and Bob found himself laughing uncontrollably. The more he laughed, the better he felt. He even forgot about all the terrible things that had happened to him that day. After the show, Bob decided to talk to the comedian.
"You really cheered me up," he said. "I had the worst day ever, but you made me laugh so hard I forgot everything."
The comedian smiled.
That's great to hear.
He replied,
But I have to confess something. I'm not really a comedian. I'm a hypnotist.
Bob needed clarification.
"What do you mean?"
I hypnotized you before the show.
The man said,
That's why you laughed so much. You'll feel great for the rest of the night, but tomorrow morning, you'll wake up and have the worst day of your life.
Bob was horrified.
"What? You can't do that."
The man shrugged.
Sorry, buddy. It's just a little prank I like to play. Have a good night.
Don't miss a single chapter of our extraordinary narrative. Hit the subscribe button now.
Bob went home feeling betrayed and angry. But the following day, he woke up feeling fantastic. Bob couldn't stop smiling, and everything seemed to go his way. He got a job promotion, found $20 on the sidewalk, and even met a cute girl on the bus. By the end of the day, he was practically glowing with happiness. Walking home, he noticed the same sign advertising the stand-up comedy show. He decided to go in again, hoping to see the same hypnotist. When he found the man, he walked up to him and said,
"Hey, you remember me? You hypnotized me last night and said I'd have the worst day of my life today. But you were wrong. I had the best day ever."
The hypnotist smiled.
That's great to hear. I'm glad you had a good day. But I have to confess something again. Last night, I didn't actually hypnotize you. I just told you that to mess with you.
Bob was confused.
"What do you mean?"
I'm really a comedian.
The man said,
I thought it would be funny to see if I could convince you that I hypnotized you. Looks like I succeeded.
Bob couldn't believe it.
"You mean my day wasn't going to be terrible after all?"
The man shook his head.
Nope. It was all in your head. But it looks like you had a great day anyway.
Bob laughed.
"I can't believe I fell for that. But you know what? I'm glad I did. It made me appreciate the good things in life even more."
The comedian nodded.
That's the spirit. Life can be tough, but laughter is the best medicine. And hey, if you ever need a pick-me-up, come back to my show. I'll make sure you leave with a smile on your face.
Bob left the show feeling happy and grateful. He realized that even though life can be tricky sometimes, there's always something to laugh about. And as long as he could find something to smile about, he knew he could make it through even the worst days. Encounter 3. From Tech to Trees. In the bustling city of Brightville, where skyscrapers reached towards the clouds and the hum of technology filled the air, lived a young woman named Maya. Maya was a vibrant soul, always seeking adventure and embracing the fast-paced world around her. One sunny morning, as she sipped her steaming cup of coffee at a trendy cafe, Maya noticed a flyer pinned to the community bulletin board. It announced a tech convention called Innovation Nation that was set to take place right in the heart of Brightville.
Innovation Nation? A tech convention right here in Brightville? That sounds fascinating.
Intrigued by the promise of cutting-edge technology and groundbreaking ideas, Maya decided to attend. The convention hall was a whirlwind of activity, with people bustling about, engrossed in conversations and presentations. Booths adorned with sleek gadgets and futuristic displays lined the expansive space. The air was filled with a medley of sounds, beeps, clicks, and the excited chatter of tech enthusiasts. Maya eagerly explored the booths, marveling at the latest advancements in virtual reality, artificial intelligence, and sustainable energy solutions. She was captivated by holographic displays that projected vivid images into thin air and wearable devices that tracked health and fitness with remarkable precision. As she ventured further into the convention, Maya stumbled upon a small booth tucked away in a corner. It stood out amidst the sleek, high-tech surroundings adorned with vibrant colors and handmade crafts. Curiosity piqued, she approached the booth and discovered a passionate young entrepreneur ran it.
Hi there. What do you have here?
Hey, welcome to my booth. I am Sam. I have a range of eco-friendly products that promote sustainability. We're all about positively impacting the planet, from reusable water bottles to solar-powered chargers.
The products were simple, yet their impact on the environment was profound. Maya picked up a bamboo toothbrush and examined it closely. Sam explained how each purchase contributed to initiatives that planted trees and supported conservation efforts worldwide. Maya was grinning.
I'll definitely be using this toothbrush and spreading the word about your booth. Every step counts, right?
Absolutely. Together, we can create a greener future. I appreciate your support, answered Sam happily.
Moved by Sam's dedication to sustainability, Maya purchased a beautifully crafted bamboo toothbrush and a set of biodegradable cleaning products. She felt empowered, knowing her small choices could make a big difference for the planet. Inspired by the encounter, Maya embarked on a mission to bring sustainable practices into her life. She started composting, reducing her single-use plastic consumption, and supporting local farmers by purchasing organic produce. Maya shared her newfound knowledge and passion with her friends and family, igniting a ripple effect of positive change. Maya witnessed collective action's power and individual choices' impact as the years went by. The once polluted city of Brightville began to transform, with green spaces and rooftop gardens adorning the once concrete landscape. The sound of electric vehicles hummed through the streets, replacing the cacophony of car engines. Brightville became a hub of innovation, not just in technology but also in sustainability. The city's buildings were adorned with solar panels, capturing the sun's energy, while vertical gardens covered walls, purifying the air and providing a wildlife sanctuary. Maya's meeting at Innovation Nation taught her an important lesson. We must take care of the planet even as technology advances. By making thoughtful choices and working together, we can create a world where progress and the environment go hand in hand. So let Maya's story inspire us. In today's world, we can use innovation and sustainability to make a better future. Together, we can create a greener planet for generations to come. The end. Had you enjoyed this story? Like and subscribe to our channel now to unlock fresh tales and level up your English skills.